Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. If you're already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, welcome to my channel. My name is Bubs. Go ahead and subscribe while you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be getting this, mess roller coaster of a hair slayed. I'm so excited, y'all. So yeah, my appointment isn't till 1, but he looks like a good bit for me, and I need to go pick up some cash. Ooh, the lighting got bad. Hold on, wait. Yeah, y'all, I'm about to get this hair done, and I'm not finna know how to act. Like, I cannot wait. If y'all see, I got like shiny stuff right there. Put Vaseline, cause like my nose, it's been peeling ever since I got those nose piercings. And yeah, I just try to like hope it to be dry. But yeah, super excited. I was actually supposed to have this appointment on freaking Tuesday, but my hair came like mad late. Like, I ordered my hair on the 11th, I want to say, and it didn't come till freaking yesterday. And it wasn't even supposed to come till today, which would have been mad crazy because like I already had to move my appointment once, and he said you're like allowed to move your appointment once but twice.
Oh hell no!
So I'm really glad that it came today. I'm super excited, and yeah, I'll show you guys when I get there. Alright, y'all, last time I came I was not prepared at all, but look, I got my whole snack bag. I got candy, cookies, chips, drinks, that's something else. And then I got all my hair stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all the hair right now. I thought I was gonna do this when I got home, but yeah. So Unice, whatever, they put the hair in such nice packaging. Like, this is the first hair company that I got a satin bag from, and I don't know why, but it just looks really, really nice. I just put my crimper in there, but yeah, so they sent me a lot of stuff. They sent me a shower cap. I think that's what this is. Then they sent me my bundles. This is the closure. So I got body wave and an 18-inch, and it looks really nice. Then I have 4 30-inch bundles, and y'all, they look really nice. I like how they got like the wrapping and stuff. Like, they look really, really good. Hopefully they feel just as good. And I don't smell anything, but obviously I haven't taken them out the package yet, so yeah. 4 bundles, baby. All right, then they sent me a wig cap, and then this is like one of their little cards. And is that everything? Yeah, that's everything. But they put so much stuff. Like, I really like the presentation. Like, everything looks super nice, so I'm really excited to try out this hair. The girl skin is popping. Like, what's good? What's popping? My skin. Listen, y'all. Y'all can't tell me, like, y'all, I'm glowing, literally glowing. After I get this hair done, y'all, about to be like. Okay, so right now he's just braiding down my hair, and I'm bald headed, so he had to add in some braiding hair. Giving y'all set it off vibes. Here he is just making sure that my edges stay out the way by slicking them back and blow drying them. Teamwork makes the dream work, so I'm holding down my closure so that he can sew it down. Already giving y'all straight scalp. So he used a pencil as a marker so he would know where to put the glue at. Just using his rat tail comb to apply the glue in layers, and he's using the blow dryer to get it tacky. This black wrap is used to lay down my lace. Finally, we can start sewing in the hair. took down my closure, combed it out, and is cutting off the lace. Moving on to my favorite part, which is the baby hairs. I love baby hairs because they help your hairstyle look more realistic and they're just super cute. In this scene, he's just using concealer to make sure that my part matches the rest of my lace. Now for the fun part, which are the crimps. I haven't had crimps since my birthday, but those were just terrible because they fell super quickly. So I'm super excited to be getting them professionally done, and this process takes a long time, but it's worth it in the end.
Two hours later.
Okay guys, so we're all done with crimping and they are super duper defined and big, so we had to comb them out. Here's the finished product in slow motion. Okay guys, so
And
I'm back from my hair appointment. As y'all can see, it went wonderful. My hair is nice. I was a little worried honestly because when we took the hair out the package, it did not look true to length. Like the closure, I still felt like they jigged me on the closure. I don't feel like it was 18 inches, but my hair is a very much 30 inches baby. So, I was scared it wasn't gonna be 30, but I think this is 30. When I crimped my hair and it fell for my birthday, it still wasn't this long, and he like crimped it really well, and it still looks really good. I got fucking 4 bundles, baby. Four, baby. And I don't care that, you know, it's not typical crimp season. It's crimp season because I said so, period. The ball was cute and sophisticated like I told y'all, but this is like, yes, you know, I have no butt. Yes, like I look so cute. Yes, of course he got my baby hairs right. Give me straight scalp again. Like, quit playing with bro, because like, who you know? And it took so long, but guess what? Did he rush? Did he quit? Did he fuck up my hair? No, baby. He got it all done, all nice and polished, neat, like, yes. So if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all already saw that I was showing out, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me so you can see this face, okay? I post my outfits on there, outfits that y'all don't get to see me in videos. I post just normal everyday stuff on there, so make sure you go follow me on there, because yes, to think there's a debate about should I get to 30, like how could I not? Like, come on. My mama sound like a hooker, but she be wearing crop tops with her titties out, and she actually got titties, so hers be looking worse than mine. I don't even have no cleavage to show, but like, do y'all see this? The peach on my skin, the crimps in my hair, my skin is glowing. Like, I look gorgeous. And no, I'm not being conceited. I'm being confident. Like, I feel good about myself, and there's nothing wrong with that, baby. Okay, it's nothing wrong with that. Like, y'all need to understand there's a difference between conceited and confident, and I feel very, very, very confident, okay? And just a little, see, like, this a little conceited, just a little bit. But yeah, we're gonna see how long these last. After these fall out, I'll probably just do like long curls or just straighten my hair. This is body wave. This is my first time getting body wave, I think, ever, because I always just got straight hair. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. And this is my first time ordering from Unice. I'm not sure if I said that when I showed y'all the hair or not, but yeah, it looks really, really good. I mean, I already knew that the hair was gonna look good because I already knew who was on my hair, but I didn't know if the hair was gonna like be true to length and good quality. But it is very much good quality. The closure might have been a little bit short, but everything else was wonderful. So yeah, this looks so good. I already know people gonna want to go and get crimps because look at this. But nobody can do it like Touched by Laquan. So if y'all nearby, go ahead and get him, because y'all, it's a blessing to sit in his chair. Y'all see, every time after I get up out that chair, I be coming looking like a straight baddie doll baby, like mad cute. Like, y'all, just quit playing with him, quit playing with me. If you're not subscribed to me, subscribe, like this video, and comment. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.